morning everyone, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel and happy Prime Day, Amazon Prime Day. So if you guys didn't know, July 15th and 16th is Amazon's biggest sale of the year, so Amazon Prime Day. So I'm here to share with you guys my favorite and #1 top deal for Amazon Prime Day, and it's actually on a vacuum. And I am crazy about vacuums because I am a crazy clean freak. So I want to share with you guys two different vacuums from the company called Pkwy. So they have two vacuums that are on a 30% sale. So I'm gonna have everything linked below. So we have the Pkwy A10 Hero and we also have the Pkwy A10 Master Vacuum. So they are both on sale for 30% off. So I'm actually gonna demonstrate the vacuum for you guys and you can see how amazing it is. So I've already used the vacuum. I tested it out yesterday and I'm so excited to share this deal with you guys. So all the information is going to be below for the sale information and pricing. So let's just go ahead and get into the demonstration. I just opened up my Pkwy A10 Master Vacuum and I haven't even tried it and I'm blown away. First of all, I haven't had any coffee yet and I'm legit this excited. My coffee is still full. I have not had my coffee this morning. Unboxing vacuums makes me excited. Legit. Let me know in the comment section below who else like gets this excited over cleaning stuff. So, okay, check this out. The vacuum has a battery pack right here. So you're working along, vacuuming up all the crap, and then it dies. That happened to me so many times with my other vacuum. But look what they have right here. A spare battery pack. So you can just switch it out. Genius, genius. And they have two different vacuum heads for different floor types. So this soft brush one is meant for hardwood floors. So it's going to clean up your hardwood floors better with their soft roller. But then this one right here is meant for your carpet. So switching out the two heads are going to have a better cleaning in the two different floor surfaces. So if you're a home like mine where we have hardwood floor, but then we also have carpet, like this would be a great vacuum for you. So, and it's really easy to click your attachments in. So if you want to work with the longer tube, you just click it in. And then depending on what tool you want to use, so I'm just going to go ahead and do our hardwood floor right now. It just snaps right in. So this is our kitchen floor right here. All the dirt and debris and hair is going to collect in this little bin right here. Which bin? This right here. Okay. This clear bin, and there's a max line, so it tells you when you need to go ahead and empty it out. But here we go. And it lights up. How cool is this? So you can see in the corners. Holy moly. This is so cool. So it alerts the spiders saying, we're coming. This is so much fun. Scarlett, does mommy like vacuums or what?
But the real question is, does it scare Charlie?
Oh, you know what? It's not as loud.
Charlie, come here.
Here, where's Charlie? Let's see if he flinches. Oh my gosh, it's not as loud. So if you have littles. Okay, here's Charlie. Let's see. He's not sure. No.
Charlie,
wow.
Are you scared of the vacuum?
Wow.
What do you think, Charlie?
Okay. Amazing.
What do you think, Porter? Are you scared? Oh, yep. They're headed for the hills.
Oh, but they were just sitting here, so let's see how easy it picks up their hair. Okay, this is a common Charlie area. Wow. This is a high Charlie area right here. Wow, I am digging this. I'm so excited, I'm coughing. Okay. Let's see. Did it pick anything up? Yeah. Charlie hair right there. Look at that. Wow.
Charlie, what'd you think?
What'd you think, Charlie? Very cool.
He's skittish.
First impression, I am impressed with this vacuum. First and foremost, I am really glad that they have a replacement battery because I will go nuts in my house when I get into these itches of cleaning it up, like it happens, and I'm just cleaning like a mad woman. But the worst thing is when the vacuum dies and then I have to plug it in and wait for it. And I like that the charging dock over here is right on the counter, so we don't have to worry about plugging it in the wall down below, because Tanner, our 14-month-old baby, he loves to go to the vacuum, and so does Sawyer when it's on the floor. So I like that we can have a charging dock that's right on the counter so that the kids can't get their sticky little hands on it. So appreciate that. This is so much better than the Dyson because it suctions onto the fabric and it picks up the hair better. The Dyson never does this with the couch the first time. Okay, so this is the Pkwy A10 Hero vacuum, and the regular price on this is $199.99, but they are running a 30% off sale. So you're going to be able to snag this for $139.99, and this is a killer price for an amazing vacuum. So this sale is going to be going on until 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So this is actually going to be a deal of the day for 12 hours, but the sale is going to run through July 16th. So again, this model, which is the A10 Hero, is going to be on sale for $139.99. So killer deal, you guys. So then the next model that is on sale is the Pkwy A10 Master Vacuum. So the regular price is $299.99, but it's going to be on sale for $209, you guys. So this is a killer savings. This is Black Friday prices on a vacuum. So normally I love to pick up appliances like vacuums on Black Friday, but thankfully Pkwy is giving us, they're throwing us a huge bone and giving us a huge discount. So if you're in the market for a vacuum, you guys do not skip on this because this is a killer deal. So I just want to give a big thank you to Pkwy for working with me on this video and sending this amazing vacuum to my family, and it's going to get some great use, and I'm so excited. And I have already given away my Dyson because I love this new vacuum so much, and it's definitely more affordable than some of the other stick vacuums that are currently on the market. So I've already rehomed my Dyson, and now I'm going to be obsessed with my new Pkwy vacuum because it is that amazing. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Prime Day sale season, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.